Hello there, welcome and thank you for joining me today. If this is your first time here, my name is Unwana Udoh, and every week I share great content that can help you master your personal finance and grow your wealth. Unfortunately, I have been out of circulation for a while, so this is actually my first video in a few weeks. I've been dealing with some personal issues, which I will explain later at another video. So in today's video, we're going to discuss how to handle money issues and not worry about money. So basically right now we're going through very challenging times. In the United States, inflation is at an all-time high. It's the highest it's been in 40 years. I think currently it's estimated that inflation is roughly around 8.5%. It went from 1.5% about a couple years ago to 8.5% now. So it's been a very rough time. We're having supply chain issues, we're having employment issues, companies are not able to find help, and we also have a lot of families and individuals struggling right now when it comes to money and finance. So if this applies to you, if you're going through a situation where you're stressed out about money, you're stressed out about how to make ends meet, then this video is for you. Now, why should you listen to me? Well, back in 2008, I used to own a Subway franchise. Unfortunately, because of the situation we had in 2008, I had to shut down my business. I'm sure if you were around during the financial crisis of 2008, it was really bad. There were a lot of families that lost their homes. Foreclosures was at an all-time high. Lots of businesses went under. So it was a very, very tough time. Now fast forward, a few years now, I've been able to recoup most of my losses and also making strides in other areas. So I have lived through it. I know what it means to have a business and take a big L. I know what it means to, file for bankruptcy. I know what it means to lose your home to foreclosure. So I'm speaking from a position of experience. I have been through this, and I sympathize with anyone who's going through some very tough times right now, okay? Now, I don't claim to be a financial guru, but my channel, like I said, is to help people navigate their financial well-being, okay? Just to give a little spin also, I am also in the financial services industry. I am a banker. That's my 9 to 5. But I also have, the entrepreneurial spirit whereby I'm not just settling for a paycheck. I have other streams of income coming in. Even though there might be small streams of income, but it's still in streams of income coming in, okay? So I'm here to tell you that, yes, there are things you can do so you don't have to worry about money, okay? Number one, if you're in a situation where you're having issues financially, you probably want to reevaluate your living expenses. You need to cut back on certain expenses, and at the same time you need to increase your income. The only way you're going to be able to get out of this situation is for you to increase your income. No two ways. You can only cut expenses so much that you can't cut any more expenses. So the only logical step for you would be to increase your income. Now, there are many ways for you to increase your income. You can get a part-time job, but that means now that you're spending more time away from your family. You only have 24 hours in a day. You probably have 8 hours of sleep or 6 hours of sleep, and then you have to work, and then you have time for your family and things like that. So you want to make sure that you decide how are you going to bring in extra income, okay? So there are many things you can do. Number one, you can maybe start a rideshare business, but make sure you consult and do your research before you go into this. So companies like Uber or Lyft, are out there where you can, drive maybe on the weekends and bring a low income in, which can help you alleviate some of your expenses and prevent you from worrying about money all the time. You can also start a side business, okay, such as maybe you can start a cleaning business, you can start a mobile car wash business if you have the means, or you can even start a a car rental business. Okay, a lot of people are doing Toro right now, to try to bring in extra income. But like I said, everything has a risk and reward associated with it. So make sure you do your due diligence before you dabble into any of these ventures. You can also start affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is one of the easiest ways for you to get into the online arena and maybe start generating some residual or passive income from being an affiliate for companies or recommending products and services to other people, and then you get a commission. You can also join a network marketing company. Okay, there are lots of network marketing companies out there, okay, that have very good products, very good services that you can partner with. Just like in my case, I also am a member of a network marketing company. If you would like to know which company it is, just send me a DM or send me an email. My email address is down in the description and I can share that with you. Okay, it's a company that I've been involved in for a few months now, and it's been phenomenal. Okay, so there are lots of network marketing companies that you can sign up to. Now, I know there are lots of people that have had experiences with network marketing companies. They say it's a pyramid scheme. But my question to you is, if you have a job, if you work for a company, okay, how is your company's financial structure, okay, your organizational structure? If you look at your organizational structure, it's structured as a pyramid. Okay, you have your CEO or your president, you have your managers, and you have your mid-level managers, and then you have your supervisors, and then we have you. So why do people always say network marketing is a pyramid scheme? Your regular job is set up as a pyramid. Okay, most organizational structures are set up as a pyramid. So you can't always say a network marketing business is a pyramid scheme. Yes, there are pyramid schemes out there, okay, but you want to make sure that you understand that the network marketing industry has created more millionaires in the shortest amount of time. I know there are other industries that have also done that, but if you look at the network marketing business or model, okay, if you're partnered with the right companies, then you can stand to make a lot of money. So like I said, don't quote me. I'm not here trying to promote any network marketing business. I'm just giving you ideas on things that you can do in order to stop worrying about money. Okay, so when it comes to money, it all has to do with your cash flow. You want to make sure that you're always increasing your cash flow, you're always increasing your asset column, and you want to make sure that you're investing in income producing assets, such as if you have a business is an asset because it generates income for you. Okay, real estate, if you have investment real estate, okay, that's another way you can earn some money. But real estate requires a lot of capital, so if you don't have money to begin with, then going into that particular arena requires capital. So for you to be able to get there, you want to make sure that you do other things in the time being to generate income for yourself. So if you want to stop worrying about money, you want to find ways to increase your income, okay, and also build assets that can generate income for you without you being physically involved. Okay, so that is the key. You want to make sure that you use all your resources to acquire assets that will generate income for you, okay, regardless of whether you're sleeping, you're on vacation, whatever. Okay, so that's the only way you can avoid worrying about money. You have to increase your income, you have to watch your expenses, you have to build income producing assets or acquire income producing assets. Okay, that way you will have abundance of cash flow and you'll be able to live a fruitful life and a stress-free life where you're not constantly worrying about money. Okay, and then also making sure that you don't fall into the trap of increasing your expenses as your income increases, because what happens is once you start experiencing an increase in your income, logically for most people, they start to increase their expenses. So now you want a bigger house, you want a bigger car, more expensive car, you want more toys, and things like that. Okay, so that's the key, okay, for you not to worry about money. You have to increase your income. So if you need some resources on what I'm doing to increase my income and also to not worry about money and not stress about money, make sure you click the links down below. I have some very useful information down there where you can, click and check things out and, see if anything fun, clicks for you. Okay, so I want to thank you again for being here. And as usual, you're responsible for your future, you're responsible for your health, you're responsible for your wealth, you're responsible for your happiness. So make sure you take great care of those areas, because if any of those areas are out of whack, then you're going to have some consequences. So if you neglect your health while you're pursuing money, you're going to pay the ultimate price. And at the same time, if you only focus on just your health and not focused on how to generate income for yourself, it's just a matter of time before you get into some serious trouble. Okay, so thank you so much for being here. Thank you again for all my subscribers who have been with me. And like I said, I've been out for a few weeks now, and I'm coming back, and I'll try to make sure that I share some great content with you as usual. So remember, be true to yourself, be true to your goals, and never ever give up. And I'll catch you on my next video coming up shortly. Make sure you stay tuned. Take care. Bye bye.